We are currently witnessing the end of the traditional computer. For the last few years, we've been told that the Pro in MacBook Pro stood for power, for ports, and for performance. But in 2026, the definition of a professional has changed. We are no longer just editing photos or compiling code. We are running entire neural networks from our laps. We are creating worlds in real time. And to power this new era, Apple has just unleashed its most terrifyingly capable machine yet. This is the MacBook Pro M5. And it's not just an upgrade. It's a total takeover. To understand the M5, you have to understand the wall that the rest of the industry is hitting. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Intel and AMD are fighting for every watt of power, while Apple has quietly moved the goalposts entirely. We are standing at the threshold of the 2-nanometer era. This is a leap in physics that many experts said wouldn't happen until late 2027. But Apple Silicon doesn't wait. The M5 series, the M5, the M5 Pro, and the M5 Max is the first consumer hardware on Earth to harness this level of density. We're talking about billions of additional transistors packed into the same thermal footprint, giving us a machine that is 30% faster than the M4, while staying as cool as a block of ice. But let's talk about the real reason you're here, the neural accelerator. In the M5 chip, every single GPU core now has its own dedicated AI engine. This is a fundamental shift in how a computer thinks. In previous generations, the CPU, GPU, and neural engine worked as separate teams. In the M5, they are a single, unified organism. Apple is claiming a 3.5x jump in AI performance over the M4. That isn't a slight improvement. That is the difference between an AI tool taking 10 seconds to generate a 3D scene and it happening instantly as you move your mouse. For the first time since the 2021 redesign, we are also hearing the whispers of the big overhaul. While the early 2026 M5 models focus on the Silicon Revolution, they are the bridge to the most anticipated display change in Mac history, Tandem OLED. We saw it in the iPad Pro, and now it's coming to the Mac. This isn't just about better colors. It's about 1000 nits of sustained brightness for SDR content. It's about blacks so deep that when you work at night, the screen disappears, leaving only your work floating in the dark. If you've been waiting for a reason to finally retire your M1 or M2 machine, this is the siren song you won't be able to ignore. Let's dive into the core of the M5 Max. This is the chip that renders the competition obsolete. Rumors suggest a 16-core CPU and a staggering 40-core GPU configuration. But the numbers don't tell the whole story. It's the 153 gigabytes per second of unified memory bandwidth on the base model, scaling up to over 550 gigabytes per second on the Max. This allows you to run large language models, the kind that usually require a server room, directly on your local machine. No cloud, no lag, no subscription. Just you and the most powerful AI in existence, working at the speed of thought. Connectivity has also taken a massive leap. We are finally seeing the standardization of Thunderbolt 5 across the Pro and Max lineups. With up to 120 gigabits per second of data transfer,